Hello, this is Jim Phillips with Remember Veteran Grave Markers. Today I want to tell you about a couple of cemeteries that we're now working at and have partnerships with. The Jewish Cemeteries in the Toledo, metropolitan Toledo area, which is Oregon, the city of Oregon, and the city of Rossford. So we have a partnership over there with them to do some work in their cemeteries. Now, I must admit, their cemeteries look pretty darn good. They're really well kept and maintained by some pretty strong professionals over there. But there are still some things we can do as part of our remembering and honoring our veterans. So this is a good one to take a look at. The video will show a little bit about Anshai Sfard Cemetery. This is in Rossford. Now, this particular one is interesting because it overlooks the Maumee River. So it's a beautiful setting for a cemetery, and the guys do a real nice job of cleaning things up out there. One particular headstone is not a military headstone per se. I mean, it is a veteran's headstone, but it's not a military headstone. And it's the headstone and monument of Rabbi Sokobin. Now, interestingly, as you could take a look at the headstone there, what a beautiful view of the Maumee River. So he's got a really good view of that. The rabbi there was a member of certainly the congregation in Toledo, but what's important is that he was a Navy veteran. He joined when he was 15. Let me get this right, 15 when he joined. And while he doesn't have a military headstone, he does have a little marker indicating that he is a veteran. And it is something that, as a veteran walking through the cemeteries, not everything I'm going to see is going to be a military headstone. There will be regular headstones out there that have markings that will draw my attention to them. And this is one such headstone. So I'm pretty tickled about this, is that he was a big player in the Toledo scene for his faith. And actually, when he retired from being a rabbi, an active rabbi, he actually went to law school at 70. So we all have something to offer even when we get to 70. So this guy lived up into his 90s. So pretty stinking cool. So Rabbi Sokobin, and many other veterans out there at the cemetery. But I wanted to show you his plus the others as we move forward and continue the good work of remembering veteran grave markers. It's getting into the winter time as we move to, through the fall. So I'll be doing less about cleaning and more about talking about the veterans we find. So until then, see you next time. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.